In this video, I will show you how to connect WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite. So the first thing you need to do is go to your page. So for example, I will go to this page, and then after that, click on your icon profile, click on settings and privacy, and then go ahead and click on settings. And then after that, scroll all the way down here until you see the link account. So here it is, and then you will see the WhatsApp, click on it, and then you will see the account page settings here. If you want to use WhatsApp as an action button, so you need to turn on that. And then our show WhatsApp number on page, you need to turn on this. And then after that, you will see the connect another number here. And then after that, choose your country here. So for example, I will choose the Philippines, and then I will type my number here. So once I type my number, I will click on continue, and then it will send a code to your WhatsApp account. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.